Joe Beermaster. We have a Ford Escape key fob. I'm going to show you how to change the battery when the battery gets low. This one's actually pretty simple. Some get a little complicated, but if you look here, there's this little button. Slide that up, and there's actually a key fob here. I'll pull that out. That's your valet key. You can always use this key if your battery goes dead. So that's where the hidden valet key is. And you want to go in here and you want to put some upward pressure. That's going to snap. You don't want to break it. You want to do it gently. If it's the first time, it'll snap pretty hard. And you open it up, and there is your battery. Okay, then we want to take it out. And I like to get it off to the side there with a thin screwdriver. Just pry it up lightly. Sometimes they don't come out right away. This one's in here pretty tight. So it came out. Now if you flip it over, you can see the number right there. It shows you the number. It's a DL, Duracell 2032. But there's other brands out there. You can get them at a pharmacy or auto store. So you get the new one. You can see there's a little spring sort of in here, so I like to put it back in that way, positive down. I'll have a little plus on it. Click it in there. Put the top piece back on. Line that up pretty good. And we put the key, valet key back in. Bada bing, now you're set. Go out and test it. It'll work. And that's it. That was an easy one. Joe Beermaster. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Take care.